Good day, everyone. Let us now try to solve a mathematics question from the Nepal Mathematics Olympiad. And here is the question. Find the value of a and b in 3 raised to the power of a minus 3 raised to the power of b is equals to 234. So in order to solve this problem, notice that you have two exponential expressions to the base 3 that is being subtracted. That's 3 to the a and 3 to the b. Now, when we subtracted 3 to the a minus 3 to the b, that results to 234. That means we have a positive number. That means 3 to the a is positive and 3 to the b is also positive. However, since after subtracting them, we were able to get a positive answer, then we can assume that 3 to the b is smaller than 3 to the a. So in this case, let's try to factor out 3 to the b from the left side. That becomes 3 to the b, and then that becomes times 3 raised to the power of a minus b, because when you factor out 3 to the b from 3 to the a, that means you divide 3 to the a by 3 to the b, and that means you have an exponential expression which has the same base that are being divided. That's why you just copy the same base, subtract the two exponents. Minus, since 3 to the b has been factored out, that means we are left with 1, is equals to, since we are doing a base 3, we need to factor 234 such that at least one of the factors should be base 3. And in that case, we can have 9 times 26. Factoring this out further, we have 3 to the b times 3 raised to the power of a minus b minus 1 equals 9 is just equals to 3 squared, and that gives you, or times 26. Now notice that in this part here, you have already a base 3, which is 3 squared. And on the left side, you have an obvious base 3, which is 3 to the b. That means these two numbers or expressions having the same base will be equal. That's why we have 3 to the b is equals to 3 squared. Solving for b, we get b equals 2. Now, on the other hand, the 3 raised to the power of a minus b minus 1 is equal to the other factor, which is 26. That's why we have 3 raised to the power of a minus b minus 1 equals 26. Transpose 1 to the right side, we have 3 raised to the power of a minus b equals 26 plus 1. That becomes 3 raised to the power of a minus b equals 27. Since you have the value of b, which is 2, we can have 3 raised to the power of a, substitute the b by 2. That's why this becomes 3 raised to the power of a minus 2 equals 27. And 27 can be expressed as a power of 3. So that's why we have 3 raised to the power of a minus 2 is equals to 3 cubed. These now are in base 3. Cancel the common base. We are left with a minus 2 equals 3. And finally, we can solve for a, and that is a equals 5. And this is now our answer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more challenging algebra problems. Thank you so much. Enjoy learning.